Hi guys, this is Christina from Meal Prep with the Twins, and I'm showing you how to make some keto stuffed salmon. I'm going in with the whole package, about 8 ounces of cream cheese, just regular cream cheese. And I'm taking a block of fresh Parmesan. I'm grating it. You can get the already grated Parmesan, but I like it fresh. I think it tastes better and it melts better. Then I'm just seasoning it up. I'm going in with a tablespoon of smoked paprika. I like the Emerald brand because it really has a good smoky taste. Some fresh peppercorn medley that I'm grinding. And I'm putting about 4 cloves of fresh garlic, and I'm pressing it in my garlic press. Garlic has carbs, but I love garlic, and spread out over the whole recipe. It's not going to kill you. I'm putting in 8 ounces, a full container of crab claw meat. I don't use imitation crab. I don't know what it is, but if you like that, you can use it. Spicing it up with some red pepper flakes and about 1/4 of a cup of fresh parsley. Mixing that up really good to get all of the seasonings incorporated. Even when you soften the cream cheese, it takes a bit to get everything mixed up. I'm also going in with about 1/2 of a cup of kale. I like to get my veggies in, and I love kale. Once again, just mixing everything up so that it's nice and blended. Now that I have that all mixed together, it's time to cut a pocket into the salmon so that we can stuff it. And cut a line down the center. You don't want to start at the front edge. You want to wait about 1 inch. And you don't want to go all the way to the back edge. You want to give that about 1 inch as well. You just want to go straight down the center and cut a pocket just like that. And I just dig in with my hands a little bit to make it wider. I washed my hands right quick. Then I'm going in and stuffing that mix right into that pocket. Don't worry about trying to use all of it because we're going to use the rest to make a little sauce that we're going to put on top. Topping my salmon with some ghee, about 1/4 of a cup, and giving it a nice loving massage. Hitting it with some kosher salt and some fresh cracked pepper. Garlic powder, and some more crushed red pepper. I like everything spicy, so you'll see a lot of that in all of my recipes. I put that in the oven at 350 for 30 minutes. So in the meantime, I'm making some green beans. I wanted to do a nice, fresh, healthy side. Every time you see keto recipes, usually it's something really fatty and decadent, but I like to make it balanced and keep it simple. Still got to get your fat in, so I'm putting in about 1.5 tablespoons of ghee. Throwing in a couple of cloves of garlic and 1/4 of an onion, a red onion. You want to be sparing with your onions when you are on keto because onions have a lot of sugar, but 1/4 spread out over your meal prep, it's not going to kill you. So I'm mixing that all up. Fresh green beans are very tough. You want to get them nice and tender, but I still like them to have a bite. So I guess you would say I get them al dente. Going in with more seasoning. I like a lot of flavor in my food, so I'm going to season, taste, and then season again. Put in a little bit more ghee. Got to get our fats in. Ghee is just clarified butter, by the way, if you were curious. Like I said, lots of flavor for me, so I season and I go back and I season again, taste them. All right, I'm putting a top on so that it can get nice and steamy. And I'm taking my salmon out of the oven because it is done and I do not want it to burn. Green beans are done also. So we're going to take the rest of that crab and throw it into the pan. We're going to turn it into a little sauce that we're going to top the salmon with. Make sure to keep that temperature nice and low, not too high. Going in with a half a cup of chicken broth, but I'm putting it in a little bit at a time. Don't want to make this sauce too runny. Just want to loosen it up a bit. Let it bubble a little bit, and I threw in about 2 tablespoons of cooking sherry. A little bit of salt. Parmesan is salty, so I didn't put too much. And of course, more pepper, because I love it. All right, so now I'm just going to top that salmon with this sauce and put it on in the oven on broil. Make sure you keep an eye on it when you put stuff on broil because it can burn fast and you don't want to ruin all of your beautiful work. Okay, got it to a nice consistency. And there you go, keto crab stuffed salmon and a side of green beans. Enjoy, guys.